Here we come to the low-rise elevators here at the Grand Sierra. Also still with their sticky Otis buttons. You can hear it pop out after I pressed it. These ones are also still on the sticky Otis mod. So it seems like for now the only ones that were modded a second time were the mid-rise. Not sure why that is. Perhaps they paused the modernization project during the pandemic because profits are very down. As you might have heard, these still carry the original US elevator bells. Let's see if we can get that again. Awesome. Love those original bells. New digital or electronic bells hold nothing on old mechanical bells. Same cab as both of the other sets here. Kind of basic, but not bad. We'll take these for one more go. Hopefully this music doesn't get me a copyright strike, or I'm going to be muting a large chunk of this video.
Resort and casino is all in on safety. Help us win big by complying with the state of Nevada's directive of having your face mask completely covering your mouth and nose while in public spaces. Together, we can keep our business open and economy moving. Thank you for your assistance.
And we just had an announcement based around the coronavirus and its current restrictions here in the state of Nevada. So strange. There it goes. And that will be it for that set.